Hi friends, today we are going to unbox and review OPPO A37. It is a mid-range smartphone with a good camera. The phone runs on ColorOS 3.0 based on Android 5.1. It has MSM 8916 quad-core processor, 2GB RAM, 16GB of internal memory. It has 2630 mAh of non-removable battery, 8 megapixel rear-facing camera, supports HDR and has a 5-inch display. Okay guys, I am Unni, you are watching Moonphone channel. Okay guys, let's unbox. Inside the box, we got the phone itself, OPPO A37. Then we have a silicone case and some paperwork that we never ever read. Then we have the OPPO's branded power brick. It is a 1 ampere power brick. It is enough to charge up the 2630 mAh of battery. Then we got the headsets and a micro USB cable. Okay, that's it. Let's take a look at the phone. Okay friends, the phone is booting up, so I will take the time to install the essential applications and come back after that. Okay friends, as you see, I have installed all the essential applications. Okay, let's check the camera. I should say, the 8 megapixel sensor is doing its work very well. Okay friends, as you know, I like to check the camera sensors. The company says it has an 8 megapixel rear facing camera. Let's check it out. It is actually very simple to check the camera's megapixel. It's just a simple equation. You have to multiply the resolutions and divide it by 1 million. So let's check it. Now I am multiplying the resolutions. And dividing it with 1 million. So we have got 7.9, which means it's the same as the company says. Company says it's 8 megapixel, we got a 7.9 megapixel. Okay, let's check the front camera. Hi guys, it's me, Unni. Okay, that also ended up very well. I know I am really handsome. Let's check the beauty mode also. The OPPO company already said that the A37 has a dedicated beauty mode. Yes, much more handsome. Okay guys, let's check the dual speakers. This is my favorite song. It is really clear and have a good punch to it. Okay, let us talk about the specifications. For the dimensions, we have about 143 mm of height, 71 mm of width, 7 mm of thickness and 136 gram of weight. Then we have the color OS 3.0, which is running on Android 5.1, Adreno A306 GPU, 2 GB RAM, 60 GB internal memory and 2630 mAh of battery, which all runs on MSM 8916 quad-core processor. For the display, we have 5-inch IPS TFT display with 1280 x 720 pixel resolution and support about 16 million colors and has multi-touch capacitive screen and Gorilla Glass 4 protection. For camera, we have 8 megapixel rear facing sensor with f2.2 aperture and 5 megapixel front facing sensor with f2.4 aperture. For connectivity, we have 2G, 3G, 4G, LTE frequencies with dual nano SIM support. The system also supports GPS and OTG. It is using 4.0 version of Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi speeds up to 2.4 GHz. For sensors, we have a distance sensor, a light sensor, a gyroscopic sensor and an e-compass. Okay guys, that was it, the full review of OPPO A37. So, what were your opinions of this phone? Write down in the comment section below. And if you are new here, consider subscribing to the channel, because every week we are uploading a new video. So hit that subscribe button and activate the notification bar, so you will be notified whenever I put a video on YouTube. Okay guys, before winding up, let us take a look at some of the pictures that I have taken around the office with OPPO A37.